3 years ago, I was the CEO of my previous company, and we suffered a cyber attack. Yes, I was aware about the importance of cybersecurity, but I had no time to understand better about best practices and solutions. My supplier was unable to make me feel confident that the more I spend, the safer I will be. But that is a common situation in Europe. In fact, more than 46% of the European small and medium businesses has been breached during the last year. 90% of them due to a human error. In cybersecurity, small and medium businesses don't need any complex solution to protect the business because they today don't even lock the door. Cyberangels is an all-in-one platform that helps SMBs reducing cyber risk by 90% without hiring or becoming an expert and without breaking your bank. We would like to be the number one solution for non-technical users. Competitors deliver great solution only actionable by tech users or that require a lot of effort to be implemented, but we don't. The target market is 12 billion euros, and we would like to hit 26 million by 2026 with our freemium subscription-based business model that starts with a level 1 with a cyber risk assessment report delivery immediately as soon as you join for free. Then you can upgrade to a level 2 to receive your remediation and actions plans. And finally, you can sign off your cyber insurance. In 2021, we raised 200,000 euros from an equity crowdfunding campaign, and today we have 200 customers registered for free and 5 distribution agreements already in place with EY, Poste Italiane, Vittoria Assicurazioni, Antelma, and Digix. I'm Andrea Toponi. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Cyberangels. I started my first company in 2012. Already exited. And 2 years ago, I launched Cyberangels with this team of experts in cybersecurity, insurtech, and tech development. I'm here to ask you for 1 million euro to blitzscaling now small and medium businesses in Europe with our level 1 solution to upgrade then to a level 2 or level 3 by 2023 and hitting 1 million euro in annual recurring revenue. If you want to join us in protecting small and medium businesses, please write me.